Camera and action.
Trying to bring up a wee blade here.
Right.
And it was like a butter knife. It would have been hard to tell the difference between that breaker and that blade.
Yeah.
Remember it is, we'll give it a run there, 400, 600 and 1,000.
Yeah.
And we're diamond stones. And it's come up a treat to me. Feel that? Careful now.
Oh, she's sharp.
You know?
You find them stones good, Tom?
That seems to be very good. Yeah, I was using a small boy, but I mean,
Yeah.
probably that's good enough too. But the thing is, if we tried my parent chisel, I made this chisel. This is a high-speed blade, like.
Right, so you just keep it an angle, Tom, and go through the different blades.
Well, anybody after a while can sort of do that. I don't need a jig.
Yeah.
You know, you get a wee jig for it, but I don't need a jig, you know. Just move that. You can actually feel that doing a cutting there, you know. I can feel that working there, you know. It's very good there, you know. Wow, if we go then. See, the problem with an oil stone, years ago I was using oil stone, but oil stone can wear.
Yeah.
And then you're not
getting it flat.
You're not getting it right, you know. See, them diamond boys there, I don't like the Japanese water stones because sometimes you can get a frost and they will freeze. Wow, I love that look. That's really good. Now, careful with that.
Don't shave you there.
That's a high-speed bit of steel from the planer, made of a holly hammer.
Of course, you make your own blades too, Tom.
Well, it's easy enough to make that, you know, because you just have to re-grind it like. But that's a lovely chisel and it's sharp, you know. And then you look, you know, different chisels and gouges and things. I've boxes on them, you know. But
no, you just
it
sharpen
comes
them
down
all.
to a few that you actually get on well, you know. There's one there, look.
It's your own preference.
There's an actually edge blade there.
It should be a good blade.
It's a good blade too. But I used to favour a big long one, you know.
What do you think would be the best blades, Tom? You reckon, anyway? I mean, in your opinion?
Nowadays, some brilliant blades, but you know, with Japanese steel and Swedish steel and things like that, you know. But for me, I want to return to the tools that have saved me time most, you know.
Yeah.
I am not familiar with maybe other tools in the same vein, you know. Then it's a lovely set of stones there, they're cutting really well there, you know. Another thing about, see, we'll look in detail with the plane someday, because that's a whole subject and so on. But a good idea is to polish up the breaker, you know. Yeah,
right.
It can be often forgot about. If you polish up the breaker there and give it a good shining with very fine pepper, you know.
And that needs sharpened as well, Tom?
No, it doesn't need sharpened, it just needs polished.
Oh, I got you right.
Yeah, but it is. A good idea then is if you get a bit of beeswax and give that a good polishing, you know. Yeah, with the wax.
Yeah, it keeps
your
it
breaker.
from...
Your breaker will work better. You know, whenever you put on. I have another. You know, I would use. I never really get into it like. It's a leather strap, you know. Because if there's any wee burr I want it gone.
Oh yeah, it takes the burr off it.
You know. That wee touch there, like.
Just look at that.
Feel that now.
There's some blade there. I would shave you there. Eh?
Well, that's what you want. And like I'm playing hardwood, you know, mostly. And that is, put this boy on like that. Don't go rattling down the front. And mind your fingers as well. I mean, inside is very fine, you know. Like, well, you want them to do the job, like. You know. That's me there, and then this is an oil plane.
What make of a plane is that, Tom?
It's a Stanley,
That's
it's a Stanley Bailey. And
how old is it?
The numbers in it. No, that would be, I can't remember actually, but see when you get the numbers in it, it's a collector's plane. The numbers is in here, you know. You know, can you see them?
Yeah, I can just about make them out, yeah.
1910. Them numbers takes it to a different quality, you know.
Do you find the old tools are better than the new ones, Tom? The new types?
Definitely. They're made in a different, like we works out, you know.
Yeah.
Like, but there's lovely tight mouth on them now, like, you know, which is what you want, like. And there is another plane there.
That's one you made yourself, is it?
That's one I made myself with one of them very
Old school planes.
but that blade there is a hawk. It's lovely. Love the tight mouth in there, like. You know. Yeah, I like planes and I like
Just look at it sitting down, Tom, just to make it out. Just to,
and
you made it out of you just made it out of a chunk of wood, basically. Like. Right.
The whole
Right, that's nice.
the whole consignment on, you know.
I remember you showing them there.
We'll have to do how to go on the
We'll get around to them someday, you know, get around looking at different planes.
kind of copied of a Crano style thing, which is I think it's closer to southern Scandinavian, with a wee bit of Japanese influence. You know, and you can make them different angles and all.
And what's the difference with them now and a Stanley plane? No difference, I suppose, is there?
Well, you know, Stanley,
You know,
you can adjust very quick.
Right.
Look at these here, you have to tap and play about with them and fine tune them, you know.
Yeah, to your own.
That's right. But, you know, they're different.
Different style, but hey.
You need to use them all. Like, times I would go through the exercises with them, you know. But that's really sharp there now that it. You don't want to hit anything, you know, we don't hit nails or nothing like that. That would be terrible if you damaged the plane, you know. So we'll look at planes the next
We'll look at them some other day then, Tom, and we'll get a good look at them, alright?
and them in action.
Yeah,
you know,
definitely.
Because they're only as good as they perform, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, thank you.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
God bless. Bye bye. Like and subscribe, people. Thank you.